Okay guys, we're actually going to go through two different examples here. On this first one, it says that on a map, 1 inch equals 5 miles. Two cities are 8 inches apart on the map. What is the actual distance between the cities? Alright, so we're going to do this in a few steps. The first one is we're going to find the scale factor. Now, this one says 1 inch equals 5 miles. That's actually going to be our scale factor. Okay, so for every 5 miles, it is 1 inch on the map. All right, you guys will find scale factors to be very similar to unit rates. All right, next we're going to set up a proportion to figure out how long 8 inches is. So we know that 5 miles is equal to 1 inch on the map. So we want to know how many miles is equal to 8 inches on the map. Okay, so as you know, we have a number here that we don't know, so we're going to use a variable to represent that. 5 over 1 equals x, because we don't know that number, over 8. So again, this proportion is using our scale factor, 5 miles to 1 inch, is going to be equal to some number to 8 inches. Now that we have a proportion, we can solve it just like an equation. So our goal is to get x by itself, so it's being divided by 8, so we multiply by 8 to get rid of that. Now what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we multiply this by 8 as well, and this will get us 40. Okay, so 40 equals x. Now if you remember, x is equal to that, or the amount of miles we didn't know. So the answer to this problem is actually 40 miles. All right, the next example we're going to look at is right here. Okay, this says Ryan makes a scale drawing of a banner for a school dance. He uses a scale of 1 inch equals 3 feet. And the width of the drawing is 5 inches. What is the actual width, W, of the banner? So again, we're going to set up our scale factor here, which is 3 feet per 1 inch. Okay, we're wanting to know how many feet is 5 inches. So we set that equal to, I don't know how many feet, over 5 inches. Okay, set up our scale factor, or set up our variable for this number we don't know. So we have 3 over 1 equals the variable over 5. Okay, so we're just setting up proportions and then solving them like algebraic equations. X is being divided by 5, so we multiply by 5 on both sides. All right, 5 times 3 over 1, or just 5 times 3, gives me 15 equals x. So we know the width of the actual banner is going to be 15 feet. All right, remember to write these down as your notes and get them turned into the notes submission assignment. If you have any questions about what we went over today, just let me know. I'll be available all day. Have a good one.